The introduction. This is a proposal to a digital record center is in Jalan Pejabat Kerajaan, Labis. The client of this organization usually from Labis communities, lawyers, people from private sector and governmental sector. The issues land office is long wait process and still use traditional filing system, use file and paper-based documents. We will propose to solve the problems. We will digitalize from non-digital to digital form, which is from paper-based to digital, also improving departmental office system.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURAINA BINTI HAMDAN. I am from class JIM 2463B. Today, I'm going to explain about motherboard and system network. For motherboard, we recommend Intel H310 Ultra Durable motherboard. The key features is connectivity, cooling, audio, and ultra durable. For connectivity, motherboards are focused on delivering M.2 technology to enthusiasts who want to maximize their system potential. For cooling, it has Smart Fan 5, Achieve Fan Silent, and Hybrid Fan Pin Header. For audio, it has high-end audio capacitors and audio noise guard. And lastly, ultra durable, the industry league surge, high temperature protection, lower RDS on, MOSFET as design, and lastly humidity protection glass fabric PCB. This is motherboard specification. It has CPU, chipset, memory. This motherboard offers many advantages for the organization. Therefore, the selection of this motherboard is very worthwhile for the organization in the long run to organize file and document.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURAINA binti NASRON. My course is IM 246 and I am from UITM Segamat, Johor. The computer case that we will provide to help the organization solve the problem in handle all of their records are Dell Optiplex 7080 desktop computer. This is the latest version computer case that support Windows 10 Pro 64-bit operating system that come with 8 GB, 1x8 GB and DDR4 for the memory. It is also the next-gen graphic-intensive workload with high-speed access like USB ports for high-speed data access. The computer case is very important because it can be a protection to the computer. For example, can keep the computer cool and also storing and organizing all of the components in the computer. Thus, this is the best computer case for Labis land and small districts office.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL binti SAHAR from UITM Johor campus Segamat. I am from JIM 2463B. We choose is 10th generation Intel Core and very effective in computer tasks like documents creation and internet browsing. The Labis line office work scope is usually to documentation, creation of document, and internet browsing. Number 2, second hardware is system memory from Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB. External add-in memory improve the quality of work is graphic card. Graphic card usually will translate data into graphics. It was a discrete graphic cards that compatible with Dell Optiplex. This is the hard disk. Actually, this hard disk come with the power. This SATA hard disk drive deliver high data transfer speed. Hard disk drive is non-volatile memory hardware device. This is the DVD ROM, which is DVD RW 9.5mm optical disk drive, cost 150 ringgit, and the function is to store large software application, and it has larger capacity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL BINTI SALEH from class JAM 2463B from UiTM Johor, campus Segamat. There are 7 types of software that we use to improve the record management system in Labis LAN and small district office. For the operating system, we are going to choose Windows 10 Pro for workstation, which is the latest version of Windows 10 Professional that designed for expensive PCs with powerful hardware. This kind of operating system combines the Microsoft Resilient file system that provide large storage space to store the data. It is suitable for the Labis LAN and small district office as the organization is experiencing the increases of records every day and requires a large amount of record storage space. Next, for the antivirus, we are going to use the Total Antivirus Pro 2021. It is a powerful and easy to use, and it is friendly internet security with near perfect malware detection rates. So this shows that the software protect the computer that we use to manage the record from virus such as malware, adware, and spyware in real time. So it is suitable for the organization as they store many documents that indeed difficult and important to maintain. The third software that we are going to use is Microsoft Office 365, which is we are going to use the Office 365 Business Premium version. And this software allows users to chat for sharing their opinion in a group chat, forums, a meet, and so on. The software is suitable for this organization as the record, word, and updating of each application meant there is no exact time for the retrieval of each application from the placement division. So, this application can help the organization to standardize the delivery and facilities their business. We use FileHold software, FileHold Cloud. It improves the security, increasing compliance, and streamline operation easily. So it's suitable for the Labis LAN and small district office as they handling and control many types of records and they still using the manual filing system. We also use a Contentverse software. This software will help the organization to digitize the document they stored as they still use manual method to manage file. Next, we use the DocStar Enterprise Content Management software. This software will help the organization to capture, store, and manage all documents from any location and device. It could help the organization to reduce bureaucracy in LAN application management as it can improve communication and collaboration between office and parties involved in process. And for the last one is we are going to use the Docs Vault for document scanning and digitization. It provides a tool to facilitate the scanning process of large number of documents and indexing them during the process. So, it really suitable for the Labis LAN and small district office as they control a large number of LAN records that can causing the problems to recover the file.
Here we have 5 input devices. The first one is keyboard and pointing devices, which is Dell wireless keyboard and mouse KM636, which cost 138 ringgit and 90 cents. And this is the wireless mouse. which used as a cursor control, and enlarged mouse scroll wheel to enhance productivity. Next is scanner. The function of the scanner is to digitization of paper-based documents and scan to put them in the cloud-based or to digitize them. Because Labis Office still use paper-based documents, so we need this scanner to digitization. It's very compatible for the office with this scanner. Next is magnetic card reader. Labis Land and Small District Office have the financial related affairs in part of the department. Pay wirelessly with Bluetooth LE or USB only. Optical character reader OCR. This is the function of the OCR. Although we have scanner, OCR helps with the document edit that needed to be edited after the digitization. The last one for input devices is barcode reader. This is the function. Tracker for any files that have not yet and that have yet been reviewed by the office.
The two output devices for Labis Land and Small District Office are Dell 24 Monitor P2419H and Dell B3354D&F Mono Laser Multifunction Printer. This is the monitor that we choose for the Labis Land and Small Districts Office. This is the specification for the monitor. This monitor is the best brand that the organization need to use in handle and manage all of the record. The monitor is the display data from the computer to the screen that allow user interact with data in a digital interface. By using this monitor, it will help organization to get the full HD screen that can also give advantage to the workers for easy accessing the record. The good system for monitoring also can retain all of the historical information about the organization. Thus, according to the response time of Dell monitor, they can do their work faster without need to wait a minute for the computer to process. Next, this is the multifunction printer that we choose for the Labis Land and Small Districts Office. The next slide is about the specification of multifunction printer that we choose for the Labis Land and Small Districts Office. The Dell B346DNF Mono Laser Multifunction Printer is very suitable for Labis Land and Small Districts Office that allow faster speed, network capability, and document management. This printer will be easy to connect to the computer because we use Windows 10 for software, and same as this printer that it is Windows 10 compatible. Next, this Dell printer can save the scanning document into the USB network or also can directly to email for 30 folders destination. The printer has dual-core processor and 1 GB of memory enabled for last data processing. It also has optional 2 GB memory upgrade for maximum memory of 3 GB and also provided an advanced security for protect networks and valuable data with robust security.
For system network, we recommend using the local area network LAN. With LAN, that network nodes can share resources such as printer, scanner, computer, and network storage in their office. LAN also can exchange information from company's computer to the client. There is no limit to the numbers of users. The department can connect to a LAN and to build a larger virtual LAN, multiple LANs, and can be joined across multiple office locations. LAN is very flexible. A LAN ensures that every user and every computer remain connected as workers get shuffled between teams and departments and new hires to come on board. Next, we also recommend peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer network is an IT infrastructure in which two or more computer systems connect in order to share resources. By physically connecting computers to a link system or creating a virtual network, it can set up this form of network. The organization may also set up machines to be their network client and servers. Peer-to-peer network offers many advantages to companies such as easy file sharing, reliability, high performance, and efficiency.
So, this is the pricing consideration for Labis LAN and small district office to improve their record management system. It includes the price per unit of motherboard, computer case, hardware, the software, input device, and the output device. The amount estimated to improve their record management system is 38,460 ringgit and 90 cents.
The Digital Record Center is an electronic repository that can store and find the digital files from paper or other media format, also the original digital documents. Next, this system also can control access that only allow authorization to access and also can save time and cost by eliminating manual paper process. The benefit to improve this system is to improve the services to the customers and also the facilities the work management in this office. So, it is encouraged for all office to update their management system into the Digital Record Center to manage all of the records easily and can protect from harm and damage. The security also important that can protect records from harm such as data from personal information and privacy, the intellectual property rights, state security, and also the legal professional privileges.